Sludge to solution, the paddle dryer transformation, the sludge disposal challenge. Effluent treatment plants clean water, but sludge? That's a whole different story. Disposing of sludge is costly, messy, space-consuming, and a major compliance risk. But what if you could eliminate all that? Life before the paddle dryer. Industries lose lakhs, sometimes crores, every month managing wet sludge. High labor costs, heavy transport charges, bad odor, difficult to handle, tougher regulations every year, sludge eating up factory space, and when monsoons hit, sludge piles up inside, halting production. Is your factory paying this hidden price too? Paddle dryer in action. Here's your game changer, the Engineer's Paddle Dryer. It dries wet sludge, cuts moisture by 90%, and slashes your transport costs. Rotating paddles heat, mix, and evaporate moisture, delivering dry, easy to handle sludge. Less manpower, lower transport bills, hassle-free handling, full compliance, saves precious factory space. Factory after transformation. The paddle dryer transforms your factory from cluttered and costly to clean and efficient. Turn waste into fuel or reusable material. 90% less volume, 80% less transport cost, zero manual handling, one smart investment, endless benefits. Why treat sludge as waste when you can treat it as value? Stop spending on sludge, start saving with us engineers. Our paddle dryer revolutionizes your plant operations. Book your free cost-saving audit today. Visit the engineers.com or call now. Let's turn sludge into success.